What's up everyone, Tina here, and in this video I'm very excited to share with you a new update inside our Affiliate Manager software. It is now possible to track your leads via forms, surveys and calendars. Why is this important? Well, maybe you're working in the service industry, maybe you're an agency, maybe you're a coach, and you sell your services over the phone, meaning people will have to book appointments with you before they purchase. In other words, it's not a click to buy kind of sale, and it takes a little bit more nurturing, it takes a little bit more face-to-face, especially if you sell high ticket or if there are loads of different questions, or if it's like even a customizable service. Now let me show you how to set this up. So first we're going to click on marketing on the left, we're going to go to affiliate manager and we're going to click on campaign. Click on the plus add button top right corner. And now with just a few steps, you can set up a new campaign. Under select source, we had before funnels and websites. Now you can see the addition of forms, surveys and calendars. Let's say we're running coaching or consulting business and we rely on selling over the phone. Let's say our high ticket coaching program, for example, is 10K per year. Then we want to invite people to number one, a qualifier call, and number two, a strategy session. So let's imagine we already have pre-existing customers and they just can share now our calendar URL with the people which they think could be a good fit for our coaching program. So let's select calendar, click the select source details field, select the name of your calendar, and down here you can see your default affiliate campaign URL. This URL will pull the URL of the agency you're signed up with. If you prefer this URL to be branded to your own specific company, all you got to do is head over to your business profile within your account and under branded domain, add your branded domain. Basically what this is, you just create a CNAME, you add the CNAME to your domain service provider, you hit approve, and that way this link will be branded to your own company. Once that's done, hit next. Here you can just add a campaign description. Let's just add coaching service for now. If you want to add affiliates, you can add affiliates right here. Please note this only works if you have already added affiliates under the Affiliate Manager software before. Click Assign Affiliate, select your affiliate. You can see the affiliate showing up right here. Scroll down, click Additional Settings, and here you can either leave the default template or you can create your own. In case you don't remember how to do that, click on Marketing on the left, go to Emails at the top and select Templates, and there you can create your template. Here you can dictate the cookie life, 60 days pretty good, and you can decide if to include or exclude setup fees. In this case, for a coaching program, we don't charge any setup fees, but if you're selling software or anything else what needs to be set up, then you can include or exclude it right here. Down here, you can decide about the current payout terms. Just click the little pencil icon right here. And here you can decide if you want to pay on the 15th of the month, the 30th of the month, or pay 60 days later the previous month earnings. I would go with either 30 or 60 days later because that assures there's no chargebacks or refunds involved. Once you're happy with all that, you can click the drop-down menu here. You can decide if you want to publish it right now, or you can save in draft and publish it later. Let's hit publish now. And here you can see the new campaign has been created. Another new feature is to access the source field where the lead came from. To track this, click on the drop-down menu and select affiliate. Then select the affiliate in question. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can see here is a new tab which is called Leads. Click on it. And here you can see where the lead came from, either from a survey, a form, or maybe a calendar. Another important note is that the system does not track embedded forms. So if you want to track forms, surveys, or calendars in websites or funnels, they will have to be added through the widgets on the funnel builder or website builder. What do I mean by that? So basically, this is our funnel or website builder. If you click Add Element and you type form, you see the form element right here. This will be tracked, and an embedded form, which you put via the code, for example, will not be tracked. Same thing for the calendar. You'll have to select the calendar widget. And same for the survey, you will have to select the survey widget and not a code widget. And that's it already. This is how you can now track through forms, surveys, or calendars. I will see you in the next video.